Hello again, guys, it's Corey here. Today we're going to be changing the air filter in this '04 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This truck has the 6.0 liter V8. So here's the air filter box, and we have 4 screws. You either have to use a flathead or a big Phillips head to get these out. One here, back here, one down there, and one there. Let's go ahead and loosen those up, and this should pop right off. Alright, I have all the screws loose, so go ahead and pop this right off. Okay, you can see the filter here. Simply pry it out. A little bit of debris in there. Before we install the new one, I like to get a vacuum and suck that all out. That's just a habit of mine I do. And here's the old filter. Some debris in there. It was due to be changed. And this is the new one I got, a Purelator 1 filter. There's the part number for this vehicle. Remember, it goes in the same way it came out. Now look at the difference. I don't know how long this one was in the truck, but it was due for a change. Made in USA, baby. Okay, the filter box is nice and clean. I used the vacuum, sucked out any debris that was in there. Now we can install a new filter. Okay, that looks good. Now we put the lid back on, tighten up the screws, and we are done. Okay, the lid's back on, everything's tight. Now if you look at this, if your truck has this little indicator here, when this orange plastic piece in here slides down into the red, you're supposed to change it, but this thing has never moved, so I really don't care for this stupid thing. So, but you're supposed to push this then to reset it. So I push this in. Mine's obviously good. So I have a new filter in there. I'm good to go. And that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Have a good day.